Hi guys! Libutin naman natin ang campsite today. So the following morning when we arrived, nag-check-in lang ako sa reception area dito sa RAC Cari Valley Resort. Pagkatapos nga, nilibot-libot namin ang campsite at this is from our tent. So may maliit na picnic area na may barbecue setup. Tapos meron din silang tennis court.
Hello guys!
At sa tabi nun may bike. Hindi ko na na-videohan. And then there's a playground, nature playground, at meron ding maliit na picnic area na may barbecue setup. So these are the campsite. Nandun sa dulo na color blue yung tent namin. So ito naman is a pub that you can dine in. It's open 5 to 8:30 p.m. You can order there or you can dine in or take out. Pwede kayo dyan kumain. Which is meron ding amenities for the family. There's billiards, table tennis, meron ding couch over there that you can watch tele, especially doon sa mga nagka-camping na unpowered site. So kami, nasa unpowered site lang din kami kasi magagamit mo din naman lahat ng amenities even though you're camping only sa unpowered site. So ayan, ikot ulit tayo going to the campsite. May dalawa kaming tent. So, bigger tent, 10-person capacity. Diyan kami natutulog at diyan yung mga necessity namin. Like, I mean, yung mga clothes and stuff. Tapos, sa maliit na tent side, dun yung storage area namin for outdoor things. So, yan yung buong campsite with other neighborhood. Unpowered site yung nakikita niya lahat. So, ibig sabihin, wala kaming connection ng water and electricity sa mismong site. Merong side na meron kayong outlet na merong mga pwede kayong magsaksak at pwede kayong gumamit ng water supply. So, here is the laundry area along with the shower and toilets. Super cool ng laundry area. There's 4 machines. Maglalagay lang kayo ng coin and then you can use it. Tapos yung may lavatory that you can wash manually. So, meron ding mga family toilets. Tapos female and male shower room and toilets. Tapos meron ding unisex shower and toilet. Which is very cool kasi ang dami nila. Hindi lang dito, meron din doon sa mismong kitchen. Tapos ito ang kanilang big unisex toilet and shower. Hindi mawawala evacuation plan and dryer ng hands. Tapos, parang nasa bahay ka lang. Ganyan yung setup. Meron pa silang big wall mirror na makikita mo yung OOTD mo. O, diba? And then, toilet. Syempre. And ang laki ng lababo. At merong saksakan din sa lababo. So, you can bring your hair dryer straightener. So, ito naman yung view when you go up sa camp kitchen nila. Diba? Very relaxing. So, may mga tables and chairs outside at meron ding indoor setup. Merong barbecue setup that you can use. Tapos, ito naman yung inside ng mismong camp kitchen. Very huge. Hindi namin na-expect na ganito kaganda yung camp kitchen nila. Actually, ito yung one of the cleanest na camp kitchen namin na experience. They have 2 fridge, 4 ovens, 2 na may instant hot water system, induction cooker na may exhaust fan, merong prep table which is awesome, and ang dami nilang tables and chairs, ceiling fans, and also meron ding television on this corner. And the end of the other corner, meron namang mga bar stool sa mga single or gusto lang talagang mag-eat and go. May toaster, at may coffee maker, at may microwave. San ka pa? Tapos, meron ding mga cupboards that you can use or drawers that you can use to put your things. Lilabelan mo lang. Lagi ka lang maglalagay ng label. So, sa fridge and freezer, make sure na may label. At during winter, you can go in here as well dahil meron silang fireplace. Very nice. Very nice actually. Meron ding high chair, diba?
Day 2, day 1. Yesterday is day 0 with the kids.
It's day 2, not...
Okay, pagbigyan si Mikael, day 2 na daw po kami. At pupunta kami ngayon sa resort ng Cari Valley. Kasi andito lang kami sa tent grounds.
Libutin naman natin yung mga powered sites. So, nandyan yung mga caravan, camper vans, na may mga tent din sila. Everything is in there, diba? Ang dami nilang things. Dala-dala na nila yung buong bahay nila. So, dito meron silang sariling, yun yung posting yun, sariling outlet nila yun ng water supply and electric supply. So, kada side is meron silang mga hook. So, ayan, pauwi na sila. Kita nyo naman, hila-hila lang ng 4x4 ang kanilang caravan. Napakalaki ng caravan na yun, ha. So, pa-exit na tayo. Pupunta kami sa resort this day. These are day 1 pa lang to namin. So, maglilibot kami sa resort, which is opposite the road of the campsite. Yan yung mga caravan, and that's how they set off. May mga RVs, and then, yan, may mga dala silang kayak. Ito yung pinaka-biggest kong nakita na caravan ever.
Day 2.
No, it's day 4.
Wait, day 4 na. Day 2 pa lang tayo eh. Day 2 of gala.
No, it's not.
Uy, madami nang umuwing mga caravan. Nawala na yung mga dami nilang baong damit. Ilang araw kaya sila dito. Sobrang dami nilang baong damit. Tinan mo, may baon na silang mga sampayan. Lahat may sampayan. Ito ha, sinasabi ko sa'yo maganda oh. Very nice. Yung nakadikit yung ano no, parang patio. Pinicturan ko.
Gazebo.
Yeah. Maganda yung gazebo nila. Grabe, ito meron na silang caravan, tapos may malaki pa silang tent, tapos may maliit pa silang tent, tapos meron pa silang 3x3 na ano. Masarap din mag-ikot sa ganito, makakakuha ka ng ideas kung ano yung mga magandang setup. Oh, gusto ko talaga yung setup nila oh. Parang owning siya nakalagay sa ano, sa caravan nila. So, bago lumabas ang campsite, merong passcode para bumaba yung pinaka-lock ng gate. So, dito na lang. Next part is abangan nyo din po. Lilibutin naman natin yung resort area. O siya, babay muna. See you on our next video.